and gentlemen, welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. In the last episode, we took on Disguise Master Petrel, and off screen I granted our Pokemon up to level 40. And I want to show you guys some moves. Sokka is same, Dark Claw learned Poison Fang, Mean Look was learned by in level 35. Sai is at level 40, Charms is at level 40, Light is at level 40, and I caught the Steelix, our final team member Gyro, at level 23. And in this episode, we're gonna complete this rocket stuff and took on Claire if possible, or I will take care of Claire in the next episode. So, yeah, I think this is the way. And let's see if it is the way. No, it's not the way. Then where was I meant to be going? Oh, I remember now. This is this way. And these Kimono girls are freaking... Okay, Kimono girls. This is this road. The remakes, they changed it. So I can't remember. And okay, let's quickly take on Silver. Here we go. Ethan versus Giovanni's son Silver. Silver opened with this trusty gold bat. I'm gonna switch out into my light. Used air cutter which is not resisted. So yeah. And Gyro is at level 24. Standard is Meganium. Finally, I'm gonna Thunder Wave it. It's paralyzed, nice. And let's bring out our Sokka doesn't learn any bug type moves. So let's bring out our Dark Claw. And he's paralyzed again. What is this hacks? Renegade Platinum? I think Renegade Platinum. Yes. And he wasted his opportunity. And he become confused due to fatigue. Nice. And I'm just leaving save slot because if I press the button to the left, it all gets reset when I did save slot. So yeah. And he was gone for the same hacks I gone for him. But that doesn't matter because hacks are on my side today. But his hundred is why I am stupidly granny. Okay, Light participated in this. Saya. I'll send out Saya to participate in this battle. Saya can no longer escape. Why would I want to escape? And his final Pokemon is his Kadabra. No, his Sneasel. Does he haven't even had an Kadabra? I swear to God. Yes, he had it. But only in his Victory Road match. And Victory Road episode is going to be coming back soon. No way! What? No way, man. Okay, we defeated Silver. And Gyro is at level 23. Keep old moves. 25. And yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna heal up our party. And I'll come back to you guys when I heal up our party. Okay guys, we are healed up. And I think I want to do this puzzle. This stupid puzzle. Okay. This puzzle is very simple. As a kid, I struggled with this puzzle. And I think you want to press this button. It's literally just it. That's it. But I want to battle these guys. Okay guys, I defeated this trainer. Let's quickly pick up this item. Smoke ball. And I think, yes, we wanna battle this guy. Okay guys, we are back. And we wanna take on this grunt. No problemo. A Gloom. Sokka can handle that thing very easily. Okay. A Gloom. And we are very close to level 41. And I remember this trainer as a kid. She had a gloom, which we got an ultra ball. Nice. And now it's very annoying that I wanna go back and come back. I'll see you guys. Okay guys, I am back. And let's quickly escape. Nice. And this is the way we want to get out. And okay, I want to take and show you guys. I quickly want to complete all this stuff, man, because I want to complete this series as fast as I can. And we are at Claire says level now, and we reached the level cap. Yes, I'm adding level caps. So yeah, we reached the level cap. I'm just joking, but yeah, let's put Sai up in the first, because I'm not gonna put Charms, because Charms will help us in the gym, because it had Ice Fang and next gym is a Dragon type gym, so it might help us. Okay guys, okay, we got TM80 to Sleep Talk. Nice. And yeah, we got the card key which was in Silphco. Okay, I'll see you guys when I reach the third floor in the Goldenrod Radio Tower. I just found an amulet coin. Okay guys, here we are at the third floor now, and let's see what. Okay, there is card key. Okay, sorry if you hear any sound, it's my phone. He used Sucker Punch and critted me. Renegade Platinum BS. I like Renegade Platinum though. The ROM hacker Drano made a good thing with that game. So yeah. And hi Proton. I haven't seen you in a little while. Be gone, Golbat. You are not a Crobat. You are so useful if you are a Crobat, but you are not a Crobat, so you are useless anyway. And Gyro is level 28. I'll off-screen grind Gyro when the time comes. And we just got an Ultra Ball. Nice. And there is Oriana now. Giovanni's suppose that Giovanni's wife. I think she's Giovanni's wife, because her hair looks like Silver's, and I'm not gonna say that body parts. And stupid Murkrows are bothering me, but I had Shadow Ball though. Pursuit. Ooh. Pursuit done so much, but I don't care. And I might end off this episode when I complete. Okay, we defeated Ariana now, and I think we're gonna reach the one and only Archer himself. Hi Archer. Here we go. We are battling Archer versus Ethan, and Archer gonna send out his one and only the mighty stupid Houndour, but I'll send out Light, because Light learned a new move being Power Gem. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna use Discharge, because I'm not gonna use Chomps, because I hate Chomps. I'm just joking. Do not take this seriously. This is why I grinded, because he had his Pokemon up to level 38, man. My Pokemon are only at, I think, level 36. So that's why I grinded. And I don't have any super effective moves. Nice. But I KO'd it. Sorry, I doesn't have any Water Stab. So Gyro go to level 29. Okay. I'm gonna use Ice Fang. Let's see. Okay. I've done so miserable amount of damage. And I'm missing. This is why I hate you. I have you chomps. And we just defeated Archer, and we finally defeated Archer, and the chairman is coming back. Director. And we just randomly given silver wing. And yeah. Okay. Just shut up. Why are you talking to me, man? Okay. And I think that might be this episode. Okay. I heal up at the Pokemon Center. You arrived at 5th floor. Okay. Why are you saying me? Okay, let's quickly go to the place. Quickly go to the Pokemon Center. And also I'm recording this after 1 hour after when I recorded the last Soul Silver episode. And yeah, there is a photographer. And that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Peace out.